Hey guys, and welcome. Just wanted to make a quick video here about the importance of vitamin D. I've been living in British Columbia for some time where it tends to be on the cloudier side. So when I get an opportunity to get in the sun, I grab it. This is important because our body needs sunshine to activate vitamin D. And vitamin D is an important cofactor for a lot of different biochemical reactions, notably the activation of our DNA. It turns out that something like 10% of our DNA actually has a binding site, which is called the VDR, the vitamin D receptor. In my medical practice, I found that most people were low in vitamin D, and if you can't get out into the sunshine, be sure to supplement. I personally use about 5,000 international units of vitamin D daily, and in my clinical practice, and this is in measuring vitamin D levels in all my patients, it turns out that about 5,000 international units a day will give you a vitamin D level somewhere between 60 and 80, which I think the research is supporting tends to be a level which gives the benefits of this important vitamin and nutrient. So grab some sunshine. If you can't get out into the sunshine, be sure to take your vitamin D. And I'm going to enjoy a little more sunshine here while I can. All right. Be well. We'll see ya.